So this morning market was gapping up, but really traded really choppy in a very narrow range. We eventually got something out of it, but it was not easy. I was really patient. I didn't trade almost for 20 minutes in the morning because I didn't see any big momentum in one of the stocks in play. Tesla was the trade that I got to stop that twice. Good morning, everybody. Andrew's here. It's really hard these days to get up early in the morning, but you got to do that. I think I'm getting also sick too. I don't know. So this morning market was gapping up, but really traded really choppy in a very narrow range. We eventually got something out of it, but it was not easy. I was really patient. I didn't trade almost for 20 minutes in the morning because I didn't see any big momentum in one of the stocks in play. Tesla was the trade that I got to stop that twice. Eventually we got that. Tesla came down, started finding some sort of a bottom. I knew it's early at 9:45 to catch these double bottoms, but I took a small size, got to stop out, went again, and I got to stop out. And after it sold off, it came back up to the moving average. At the same time, market started rallying, and I went long at 694-ish, and then for the break above the VWAP. And then after that, I actually added another one for red to green. We never really touched the green. We were just hovering around, flat area. And that was essentially the trade that I did on Tesla. So Tesla, I still have some shares on Tesla, less than 200 shares left on Tesla. I have the average is at 700. Let's see if we can actually go above for the green or not. But the market really doesn't have any momentum to either direction. It seems that it's trying to hold this, hold this situation, but really I'm not 100% sure what's happening here. So that's Tesla that I did. So essentially one trade that worked out really well with the ad. So if I want to put that one here, it's this one. So went long here, sold some, and then added more again after we reclaimed the VWAP. And right now it's just hovering around the previous day close. I had two trades on TQQQ, one loss and one green. So TQQQ, the same thing, sold out at 9:45. I tried to catch this after the volume came in, but again, it's a really bad trade. I kind of knew that I shouldn't really trade that. Went up, I got out of it at the break even. After we squeezed above the VWAP, I went long and popped up, sold some on the 25, and I got out at the break even point. So that was another trade that I took that. So that pretty much these two trades, the choppy market was really choppy market. At least the ones that I was trying to trade were really choppy. Brian had some better moves, like he got this huge squeeze from Baba. Brian, you want to talk about your trades?
Yeah. I Baba did that pullback at the open, and then I just noticed it when it was started to break out there. So took it long just above 110, and partialed all the way up to 111, and the last exit was 111.77 on that. So got a really nice move, and I think a few of our other members in the room traded that. Also John, I think, caught that one as well.
Yeah, John, I'm actually bringing John trade here. So this is an amazing breakup five today. Speaking of John, this is just very beautiful, very beautiful trade that John did here. So as you see, and John, follow John on Twitter. It's amazing that how he's pretty much journal all of his trades with the relative volume and everything. Just the entry is amazing. So this is a breakup five today, 109, and he got out of 112. And, the ignition volume.
So he got a little. Yeah, he got in a little. I think he got in around one. What did he say he got in at? 110. Yeah, his entry was almost exactly the same as mine. I think I was a little bit higher on the entry, but not much. But yeah, really nice trade for John, and it worked out really well. Other than that, I traded Tesla with you. Pretty much same exit, except I partialed out a little earlier than you did. And few scalps with Meta and Lee at the open, but overall it was a positive day.
Yeah, it was a positive day, and it's good. The days like this that everything is so choppy. If you survive, you're really lucky. So don't push anything when there's nothing. Like I didn't trade for 20 minutes, and usually I'm done in 20 minutes. It's just like there was nothing that I really liked. The moves were there, but the volume wasn't there, the order flow wasn't there, so I just didn't have a feel about anything. So this one is a trade by Megan. She shorted Oxy just above the VWAP and added here on the way down and covered all the way down here. So that was a really nice trade. And then she later shorted again back at the VWAP and covered here at 66.80. So she had two really nice short here. She talks about yeah, so this is still the same trade. So it's a one trade. So short, cover, and then she added back on the VWAP and covered more here. So that's just one trade, very beautifully done. And I think it's pretty much very similar to what Jared did on Lee. This is a trade that Jared did. So he shorted up at 39.50, covered some here, the VWAP here, and then he got a stop out at the break even. And that's what you should do. When you start scaling out, you bring your stop loss at the break even. So he survived this pullback. So that's something that he didn't get out of here. So maybe he can explain later what. But overall, I mean, a choppy day. I'm still in Tesla. So I'm still in Tesla. I might sell it. I don't know what to do with it. But overall, it was a decent day. Not a crazy day, but it was a decent day. Especially after the two small losses that I had. So we'll see how it goes, guys. And New York City meetup. I think we have almost 100 people sign up, and that's pretty nice. I mean, there were a couple of guests that they're coming to see us. That they want to see our community. So there's a group of investment bankers that they want to know what we're doing. So they might come and check us out. So. Dress to impress. No, just behave. So
dress
the link,
to impress, yeah.
So that's it, guys. And what else? What I'm gonna say? Yeah. So if you're in New York City, guys, check out we probably post it in the forum post. I mean, we're already full, like 100 people RSVP, which is amazing. I mean, I asked them to increase it to 150, but I'm not sure if I can actually put everyone in there. Yeah, bring your resume. So that's it, guys. So. Well, the reason that they're coming, I'm trying to see if I can find investors for Trading Terminal, and there are some investment bankers that they are interested in Trading Terminal and overall our community. So potentially, they want to invest and be partner with us. So they might come and say they want to see us. So now we're getting a breakout here in SPY and TQQ. So there's some sort of a breakout is happening. I don't know if Jay Powell said anything. Yeah, Jay Powell is in the Congress, so he says something. There you go, beautiful. I'm still in Tesla, so I get part of this move. Yeah, so these moves are usually happening at the same time, so Qs are running up. Wow, very nice, beautiful.
Yeah, I'm long. I got long Baba again.
Yeah, so the market is ripping higher. So Tesla is going green. Again, these are all correlated assets, so everything kind of moved together. I mean, TQQ might move bigger and faster, but essentially if this one goes up QQQ like that, Tesla is definitely going up as well. So I got out a little bit more on Tesla here at 708. Yeah, all right, thank you so much, guys, and see you so tomorrow Adi and I will trade, but we'll head to the airport, and we stay in Friday and Saturday in New York City, and then the meetup is on Saturday. We moved it from Friday to Saturday because it's just our flight is getting delayed. If it gets delayed, then we miss the whole situation. All right, guys, thank you so much, and talk to you soon, guys.